Hi students, today we will see lesson Ram Lakshman Parasuram Samvad. The author's name is Tulasidas and his nickname is Goswami. He is one of the great poets in Hindi literature. He was born in the year 1532 in Uttar Pradesh at Banda. His father's name is Atmaram Dubey, mother's name is Hulsi, wife's name is Ratnavali, and his guru's name is Narhari Das. He wrote Ramacharitra Manas, Kavitavali, Dohavali, Geetavali, and Vinayapatrika. He passed away in the year 1623 at Varanasi. Now, let us move to introduction of this lesson. In Sita Swayamvara Mandap, Lord Ram broke the Sivadanush. It broke into two pieces with huge sound and reached Parasuram, who was far away. He was Lord Siva's devotee. He used to keep an axe that was given by Lord Siva. On hearing the sound of Dhanush, he came to the Swayamvara Mandap to punish the person for breaking Sivadanush. When he entered into the Swayamvara Mandap, he saw two people standing near the Dhanush. They were Ram and Lakshman. The argument between them is the chapter that we are going to see now. Let us start with the lesson. नाथ संबुदनु बंच निहारा होई ही केवु एक दास तुम्हारा. On seeing Parasuram's anger, Sri Ram told that this Dhanush has been broken by any one of the devotee only. Ayesu kaah kahi a kin mohi, suni risai bole muni kohi. Ram requested to Parasuram to permit him to explain in this regard. Sevak sojo karai sevakayi, arikarani kari kari a laharayi. On hearing his words, Parasuram became furious and said, the devotee that has to do only a devotee's work. He should not do any unwanted things which leads to a fight. Sunahu Ram Jehi Siva Dhanu Tora Sahas Bahu Samso Ripu Mora. Adding to this, he told, the person who broke this Dhanush is an enemy for like Sahasbahu. Sahasbahu is the one who killed Parasuram's father without any reason. So Bilgavu Bihai Samaja Nata Mare Jahi Sab Raja. Parasuram says, the one who broke this Dhanush is in this mandap only. You have to come forward. Otherwise, I will kill every king present here. Suni Muni Vachan Lakan Muskane Bole Parasu Darhi Avamane. Hearing this, Lakshman laughs at Parasuram in an annoying manner. Bahu Danuhi Tori Larikai Kabuhu na Asi Riskinhi Gosai. We have broken many Dhanush in childhood. Any saint did not become this angry before. Yehi Dhanu par mamta kehi hetu suni risai kah mrugukul ketu. Then Lakshman told to Parasuram, you like this Dhanush, so you are becoming angry. Re Nibbalak Kal Bas Bolat Tohi Na Sambar Dhanuhi Sam Tiripurari Dhanu Bidit Sakal Sansar. Parasuram is saying, hey Rajkumar, it is time for your end, so you are talking without thinking. This Dhanush is Sivadanush. World knows its value. You do not know anything about it. We saw the first paragraph of this lesson. Now we will move to second one. Lakkan kaha hasi hamre jana sunahu dev sab dhanush samana. Lakshman told to Parasuram, laughing at him, according to me, all the dhanush are same to me. Ka chati labu jun dhanu tore deka ram nayan ke more. Lakshman asks, from breaking this ancient dhanus, what profit or loss are we going to get? And Ram just took a look on the bow. Chuvat toot Raghupati hu na dosu, muni binu kaj kari a kat rosu. Lakshman says, he just touched the bow. It broke by itself. There is no fault on Sri Ram. Why are you angry without any reason? Bole चितई परसों की ओरा रे सट सुनेही सुबावु na mora. Parasuram says to Lakshman, looking at his axe, you have not seen my true face. You will burn in my anger. Balaku boli badau nahi tohi, keval muni jad janhi mohi. Parasuram to Lakshman, I am leaving you because you are young. I am not like other saints. Bal brahmachari adi kohi, bisva bidit kshatriya kul drohi. Parasuram to Lakshmanan, I am a bachelor since childhood. I am short-tempered. I am enemy to Kshatriya Kula, which the world is well aware of it. Bujbal bhumi boop binu kinhi, bipul bar mahidevandra dinhi. I have defeated many Kshatriyas and gave their kingdom to sannyasis. Sahas bahu buj chet nihara, parsu biloku mahip kumara. You don't know my power. I will defeat my opponent in the first attempt itself, as if I killed Sahasa Babu. Matu pitahi jani soch bas karisi, Mahish Kishore, Garbandha ke arbak dalan parasu more adi gor. Hey Rajkumar, think about your parents. Do not make them sad. From the sound of taking my axe, child will die in pregnancy. We will see the remaining part of the lesson in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment.